just don't know why I'm crying. I just want.
You're okay.
I just want Byron so much.
I thought you hated Byrons.
I hate them for not being. They should have delivered it to me here. Just want the child.
Oh, nice, isn't it?
I just want it so bad. What if
So you don't hate them, you're just mad because they're closed.
Yeah, it's spring break and look at me. I don't get to have fun. I want it. What if I sleep for days and I miss my airplane?
You're not going to sleep for days. You're not even asleep right now.
He told me, he said, I'm gonna do this and your face is gonna be numb, and they put this thing in my mouth and I just didn't like it. I just didn't like it at all.
Well, it's over now.
And they laughed at your oven.
Did that make you mad?
No, I told him it was funny, and then I cook in my oven. I told him I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I'm so upset at Byron's.
You're so upset at Byrons.
It's my makeup. My face.
No, you've pretty much wiped all your makeup off.
I am ratchet. And that young nurse was there, and I was just like, shit. I didn't want it to.
The guy that was with him at the office?
Yeah, I thought I was home free. I didn't think he was gonna look at my butt. And then I was just so worried because I'm a dandy and my butt folds are white because they don't get tan.
Do you really think he was looking at that?
But I'm just tan. I just feel so white.
Drink some ginger ale.
Oh yeah. It's so good. I want to brush my teeth.
Why are you talking in such a northern accent?
Sometimes when people have surgery, they wake up and they talk Irish. I'm not Irish. Top of the morning to ya. I'm not Irish.
I like you laughing better than crying. Don't do that face. Do a smiley face. There you go.
I miss when I go this weekend. What's that?
Just the blood pressure cuff.
When I go to DC, if I don't sleep through the flight, then I want to